Hello and welcome to the Priyanka Rattawa show. Today we are going to make Kadai Paneer. This is one of the most common dish ordered in restaurants. It is spicy, aromatic and easy to prepare at home as well. There's no need to rush to restaurant if you know how to make it in your own kitchen. Let's start by preparing the Kadai masala. In a pan, take cumin seed, fennel seed, coriander seed, peppercorns, cardamom, cloves, whole red chillies. Dry roast the spices at medium to low heat for 2 minutes. Cool it and then grind to make a coarse powder. For a perfect restaurant style Kadai Paneer, this fresh Kadai masala is a must. Please don't skip this step. Add oil. Then goes in onions, chop it into big pieces. Next, colorful peppers. Red and yellow peppers are optional. You can just add capsicum, onion and tomatoes. Just saute it at high flame for 2 minutes. Vegetables must retain its crunch. Next, I'll chop paneer into big cubes. Mix it. Season with salt and the fresh Kadai masala. Mix it nicely so that everything is coated with the masala. Switch off the stove and transfer it into a bowl. In this way, the vegetables and the paneer get marinated with the Kadai masala. In the same pan, add little oil and then lots of butter. You can also add ghee. Next, cumin seeds. There's lots of butter, but that's how you make restaurant style Kadai Paneer. Add Hing or Asafoetida and then finely chopped onions. Saute it at medium to low flame until the onions turn brown in color. Next, finely chop tomatoes, grated ginger and garlic. Cook it until the tomatoes are soft and tender. I'm going to blend tomatoes to make the tomato puree. Let's add it. Mix well and cook at medium flame for around 10 minutes so that the tomatoes are nicely cooked. Season with salt, turmeric, red chilli powder, Amchur powder and then the Kadai masala. Mix it and saute for 2 to 3 minutes. I'll add water to adjust the consistency. Add dried fenugreek leaves or Kasuri Methi. Kadai Paneer is usually spicy. If you are making it for kids, then you can add 2 to 3 tablespoons of fresh cream at this point. This will make it mild. Now add our marinated paneer and vegetables. Toss it nicely. Allow it to simmer for 3 to 4 minutes at low flame. Lastly, add fresh coriander leaves. Give a mix. Our Kadai Paneer is ready to serve. This is one of my favorite recipes. It's absolutely delicious. Juicy paneer with crunchy peppers and onions and the aromatic Kadai masala is just out of the world. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. Subscribe to Amchur Foods, eat healthy and stay happy. See you next time. Bye bye.